Problem management is an ITSM process area whose goal is to manage the life cycle of all problems, prevent problems and their resulting incidents from happening, and to minimize the impact of incidents that cannot be prevented. Cherwell's problem management processes were designed to comply with ITIL standards as well as using best practices in providing the best user experience possible. Resting on Cherwell's service management platform, the problem processes combined with the incident and request management processes work together to provide issue resolution for all users of an organization. Andrew is a service desk analyst who has received a call from Amy, a clerk in the accounting department. Amy is reporting that she cannot connect to the network from her desk. Andrew creates an incident for Amy's issue and attempts to troubleshoot while still on the phone. While trying to assist Amy, Andrew is informed by other service desk analysts that 4 other accounting personnel have reported the same issue in the past 10 minutes. Andrew informs Amy of the situation and assures that the issue will be investigated immediately. In the meantime, he advises Amy to switch to her wired connection until the issue is resolved. Amy says she will inform her coworkers to do the same. Andrew looks at the other 4 incidents that have been called in and deems that this issue justifies a problem be created. With just a few clicks from within Amy's incident ticket, Andrew creates the problem. Initially, Amy's incident is the only incident linked to the problem, but Andrew fixes that quickly by linking the other 4 incidents to the newly created problem quickly and easily. Create the relationship between the newly created problem and the existing incidents. Note that the categorization and priority of the problem have already been entered from the incident ticket. Andrew then assigns the problem to the networking group to investigate, report, and resolve. Minutes later, Amy and her coworkers receive notifications that their incidents have been assigned to the networking group and that they are diligently working to resolve their issue. Andrew also submits the workaround of using the wired connection to the knowledge base for future problems like this. Bruce, a network operations analyst, sees that a problem has been created and assigned to his group. He takes ownership of the problem and begins investigating the issue. Bruce determines that the wireless access point has malfunctioned and needs to be replaced. Luckily, the department keeps these on hand for faster resolution times. He creates a problem task for himself to swap out the hardware. Andrew realizes that swapping out the wireless access point is something that also requires an emergency change request to be submitted. From the problem, Bruce creates the change request with a few simple clicks. Then he's off to replace the wireless access point. Only 16 minutes has elapsed since Amy placed her call to the service desk, and Bruce has replaced the wireless access point and got her and the rest of her team up and running on the wireless network again. Bruce comments the problem ticket, noting that the replacement has been done and the accounting team is running smoothly. Bruce will follow up with the information in the change request and make sure that it is closed accordingly. Back at the service desk, Andrew receives notification that the problem ticket has been updated and sees that Bruce has resolved the issue. Andrew, being the problem owner, completes the problem resolution information and watches as the incidents linked to the problem are resolved with the information he provided automatically. In a different problem example, note how by linking the correct configuration item to the problem, in this case the email server, all information about the server can be viewed from within the problem ticket from the CMDB. From incident to multiple incidents to problem to change, Cherwell's problem management functions allowed Andrew and Bruce to restore the accounting group to normal service quickly, efficiently, and with as little downtime as possible. If you like what you see, we invite you to learn more about Cherwell.